Pinterest fans across the land. My name's Anne from A Web That Works, and today we're going to talk about how to make your life with Pinterest a whole lot easier. Today we're talking about the Pinterest button. So here's what you want to do to get the awesome Pinterest button. What you do, go to your Pinterest page, pinterest.com, and create an account. If you already have an account, just log in. Okay, takes about 5 seconds to create a Pinterest account. Easy with Pinterest. Alright, once you get to the Pinterest home page, after you've logged in, you want to hover over the About tab in the top right hand corner. In that list, you're going to see Pin It button. Click on that. It's going to take you to the aptly named Goodies page. Okay, once you're on this page, all you need to do is drag this Pin It button to your Bookmarks bar. Now this can be tricky because, as you can see, I'm using Chrome right now as my internet browser, and my bookmark bar is hidden. So I'm going to show you in 3 popular browsers how to find your bookmark bar. So for Chrome, what you want to do is you want to click on these black lines in the top right hand corner. If I hover over it, it says Customize and Control Google Chrome. If I click on that, I want to then go into the Bookmarks option, and I want to show my bookmarks bar. Okay, so here it is. Click on it, and it pops down. And you can see I've already gotten busy putting a whole bunch of other stuff up there. So now I want to add my Pin It button. And I like to put it on the top left over here so that it's always front and center. It makes it really easy for me to pin when I'm browsing the web. So what I do is I left click on the button right here, and I hold that click down. Okay, and then I can drag it around with me. You can tell you're dragging it because this circle with the line through it that's kind of angry looking is going to follow you all around the screen until you get to a place you can put it down. So you want to pull it up to your bookmark bar wherever you want to put it, and then let go, and it pops up there. So make sure you hold your left click down as you drag, because if not, if you just click once, it won't come with you, and it'll pop up a little error message that says to drag as a reminder. Okay, so let's repeat that in Firefox. As you can see, my bookmark bar is hidden in Firefox. It's Mozilla. Okay, so in order to find my bookmark bar in Mozilla, in Firefox, I want to go to the View tab up top here and click that. Then I want to open up Toolbars, and then I want to check Bookmark Toolbar. Okay, if I check that on, you can see that I've got a little drop down space here. Now when I go to get my Pin It button, here it is, it's up top here. I can just drag that right up here, and it sits right in my toolbar right there. One more time in Internet Explorer. As you can see, my bookmark bar is hidden. With Explorer, all you need to do is right click somewhere up on the top. So I'm going to right click up here. There it is, and I want to have a look. I want my favorites bar to show. So I'm going to click Favorites bar, and there it is, it pops down. Now I can click Pin It button again and just drag it right up to the top there. Okay, Internet Explorer is going to ask you if you're sure. It's Bookmarklet, you're going to say yes, and it's going to show up there. Okay, so now in all 3 major browsers, I've got a Pin It button. You will want to do this on your home computer and your laptop if you use multiple computers, and you'll want to use this. You want to repeat this process in every browser that you use. So if you use Firefox for some things and Chrome for other things, you're going to need to do it in both browsers. Okay, but you'll only need to do it once per browser or once per computer if you only use a single browser. Okay, so now I have added my Pinterest button, my Bookmarklet, to all the internet browsers I'm going to be using. I've added it to my home computer, anywhere I'm going to be pinning from, and it's going to sit right up here in the left-hand corner. So let's try it out. Here's a blog post that I really enjoy. It's about Pinterest secret boards, announced last week, very exciting. And I say, I must save this post to Pinterest. So I'm going to hit Pin It. It'll pop up an option with any pictures on the page, so you just pick which one you want. And it gives you a chance to edit the description, gives you a chance to choose which board. I'm pretty happy to pin it on my Pinterest board, I think. It also gives you the checkbox for Twitter. I'm going to say I'm ready to go. I'm going to pin it just like that. Super. It even gives you the option to tweet or share your pin on Facebook. So very awesome. And you can go and look at your pin and see how awesome it looks on your board. And here it is. It's all here, and you can edit it or repin it right from within your interface. But you don't actually have to go to Pinterest unless you want to. You don't have to leave the web page you're on. It's still open over here. Nothing has changed. So that is how you add your Pin It button to any internet browser you're using, and how you use it to pin images, videos from all across the web. I hope you have a lot of fun pinning your new content on Pinterest. And from A Web That Works,
I hope you have a wonderful week.